Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to look for location section, and when you find it, click on it. Following that, click on this switcher next to location access and tap on close in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, location of my XIAOMI is off, but you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same, now gray switcher. If you wish to, you can always go into tab menu as well, look for location shortcut here, and click on it. As you can see, mine is gray. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the shortcut one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!